are going to Powerscourt Waterfall. This is the highest waterfall in Ireland and is situated in Wicklow. So let's go. Powerscourt Waterfall is one of the most popular tourist attractions in Ireland. This stunning waterfall is located in County Wicklow, just south of Dublin. The waterfall is 121 meters high, making it the highest waterfall in Ireland. As you approach the waterfall, the sound of the rushing water grows louder, a mesmerizing prelude to the visual spectacle that awaits. The waterfall's impressive height, the lush greenery of the surrounding valley, and the fresh air make it a perfect place to relax and enjoy the beauty of nature. Whether you are looking for a place to hike, picnic, or simply take in the stunning scenery, Powerscourt Waterfall is sure to leave you feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. I saw few people were also enjoying barbecue. That was very interesting. Car parking was plentiful and the visitor center was adjacent to the car park. The visitor center has toilet facility, kids playing area and a small canteen as well.